My name's Peter Waterhouse. I'm a molecular geneticist and I'm working on new breeding technologies, and that involves genome editing. Gene editing, which uses CRISPR, is a new way. It's a very recent technology that's being used in medical science and in agriculture and so on. It's a way of changing a gene, so maybe knocking it out or improving it, using an enzyme called CRISPR. So the plants that I'm working on are actually Australian native plants, and that they grow in some of the most hostile environments on the planet, in central Australia, but also in more amenable, more pleasant conditions sort of towards the coast. I'm hoping that by using these, we can take some of the traits that the plants have evolved that can withstand drought, can withstand fluctuations in temperature and so on, to take those sorts of traits and bring them into our crop plants so that they can not just give you the best yield under optimum conditions, but are able to still yield when the climate is a challenge, when it doesn't rain or when it's really hot. I don't think it's well known that Australia is a centre of biodiversity. There are lots of wild relatives to the cotton plant in Australia. Wild bananas. There are bananas that are in Australia that are nowhere else in the world. There's wild rice, and then Solanaceae. Nicotiana are part of the Solanaceae, which is potatoes, tomatoes, that sort of thing. And Australia has something like 136 uniquely Australian solanaceous species. I think we have this amazing diversity here in Australia that is relatively unrecognised.